Enterprise menu. Welcome. To create a new project code, we start by navigating to the Enterprise menu. See this?
Got it. What's next?
In the Project Code Definitions dialog box, click Modify, then Add. Type in the name, say location, and specify the maximum number of characters for the code's value. For instance, 15 characters if you're writing city names.
Makes sense. What if I need to rename a code later?
Easy fix. Just go back to Modify, select the code, and update its name or max length. You can also reorder codes using Shift Up or Shift Down.
What if a code becomes irrelevant, outdated?
You can delete it. But remember, deleting a project code affects every project using it. So always double-check before confirming.
Got it. By the way, I noticed you said values earlier. What's that about?
Great segue. Values are, well, the specifics. Let me show you. Imagine location as the code. The value would be Riyadh or Dubai. You assign these values to individual projects under that code.
Simple enough. How do I create one?
Select the project code, click Add, then type in the value name. A description is optional, but it's always helpful to clarify, especially for unique labels.
Let's say I accidentally set the wrong description. How do I fix it?
Editing is straightforward. Double-click the value name or description, make your changes, and voila! It updates across all linked projects.
Okay, sounds efficient, but can I delete values like I can with codes?
Absolutely. Select the value to delete, hit Delete, and confirm. Just remember, it impacts every project using the value, so handle it responsibly. Now let's assign a value to an actual project.
Project codes are your toolkit for better organization, reporting, and management. Use them well and they'll save you time and headaches. Thanks, Ziad. This is way more intuitive than I expected. I can't wait to start implementing it. Glad to hear it. Remember, mastering project codes is about consistent use and smart application. Any questions? You know where to find me. Thanks, Engineer Ziad. You are helping us a lot.